Revolutionizing defense. Top 10 cutting-edge military technologies of 2023. Welcome to a showcase of cutting-edge military and defense technologies that are shaping the future of armed forces across the globe. From next-gen surveillance drones to revolutionary body armor and more. Join us to witness the future of defense and security. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest military marvels. Let's dive in. Extender Micro-Tactical System, revolutionizing surveillance and reconnaissance. Micro-Tactical System takes center stage, introducing flexible surveillance and reconnaissance drones that can be controlled through virtual or augmented reality interfaces. These drones require no special skills to operate and possess impressive capabilities. 2. GP3M System, Advanced Gun Port Protection. Kant Industry presents the GP3M system, specifically engineered to safeguard gun ports on both vehicles and structures. This system provides robust protection against 12.7 999mm armor-piercing ammunition, making it ideal for military training ranges and enhancing the safety of personnel and equipment. 3. The Stinger. The Stinger, a remarkable light-armored vehicle, boasts the capability of remote control and impressive speeds of up to 120 km/h. What sets it apart is its exceptional protection standards, including resistance to 7.625mm NATO bullets and 10-kilo landmine explosions, making it a versatile asset for reconnaissance and patrolling missions. 4. Special Forces-designed holsters, rapid access and durability. Holsters designed by Special Forces veterans are up next, significantly reducing reload times. Their remarkable durability is highlighted by their ability to withstand even being run over by a car. 5. LVSS System. The FLIR LVSS system presents an innovative approach to surveillance capable of transforming standard pickup trucks into mobile surveillance hubs within minutes. Equipped with a 5mm mast featuring radar, cameras, and sensors, it can continuously track over 500 targets within a 20-kilometer radius around the clock. 6. SABS Camouflage Nets. Concealment with radio transparency. SABS camouflage nets, including the Barracuda Alcast FSS, offer a unique combination of radio transparency and thermal imaging concealment. 7. Silink Claris. Noise canceling. Headphones. Silink Claris introduces noise-canceling headphones that can block sounds exceeding 115 dB. These headphones are remarkably robust, capable of surviving for 30 minutes underwater at a depth of 1 meter and performing effectively in temperatures ranging from 55 to 20 degrees. 8. JFD's Shadow Nav Module. JFD introduces the Shadow Nav Module, developed in collaboration with the U.S. Navy. This device attaches to a diving mask and displays crucial data including course, depth, and dive time through a projection display. It provides valuable information even in situations with low visibility or darkness. 9. Rheinmetall Lynx KF-41 EFV. EFV stands out for its versatility as it can be configured as a light tank with a 120mm caliber smoothbore gun or fitted with a 35mm automatic cannon, 7.62mm machine gun, and ATGM launchers. It offers impressive speed and can handle a payload of 18 tons. 10. Namo Modular Grenade. Customizable explosive power meet. Namo, a modular grenade offering adjustable power through the assembly of 2 or 3 components. This customization allows flexibility and explosive power, catering to specific mission requirements.